Did you know that right in your very own simple kitchen, powerful super medicines are hidden away, just waiting to be awakened for your beloved cat? You do not need to look very far to find health, as these 14 common foods will transform your pet's meal into a miraculous healing potion. Every slice of fresh produce and every pinch of protein carries a scientific secret that can boost your cat's vitality and defend against many common ailments. From their fur to their joints, the nutrients found in your pantry act as biological keys to unlock a higher state of feline health and happiness. Welcome to our guide on the 14 kitchen superfoods that act as natural medicine, backed by science to support your feline companion's long-term well-being. Let us explore the golden energy of proteins and the vibrant colors of vegetables that will turn your kitchen into a healing sanctuary for cats. We begin with the golden energy group, focusing on essential proteins. Salmon is first, providing a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids for the body. These healthy fats ensure a coat that is as smooth as silk and help reduce inflammation across the entire feline body for better daily mobility. Next is lean chicken breast, the ultimate foundation for muscle tissue. It provides the necessary amino acids that cats need as obligate carnivores to thrive. This pure protein source sustains their natural energy levels and keeps their heart strong, ensuring they remain active and playful throughout their adult life stages. Eggs are nature's multivitamin. The yolk is packed with biotin and healthy fats that support skin health and provide a dense source of concentrated energy. By including cooked eggs, you provide essential nutrients that support the nervous system and help maintain the integrity of their claws and skin barrier. Chicken liver is a nutritional powerhouse. It acts like a biological treasure chest, filled with vitamin A, iron, and various essential minerals for cat health. In small amounts, liver boosts the immune system and maintains sharp vision, making it one of the most potent natural supplements found in your kitchen. Watch as your cat enjoys these protein-rich foods, knowing that every bite is building a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out every day. This solid foundation of protein ensures your cat has the physical armor needed to face the world with vitality and a beautiful, glowing coat of fur. Now we enter the realm of vibrant colors. Do not underestimate the power of vegetables, as they provide essential fiber and unique protective plant compounds. These colorful ingredients act as tiny magicians in the digestive tract, helping to regulate health and protect cells from the stresses of daily aging. Pumpkin is a miracle for digestion. Its high fiber content acts like a protective shield, resolving both constipation and diarrhea while keeping the gut happy. By adding a spoonful of pureed pumpkin, you help your cat maintain a healthy weight and ensure their digestive system operates with perfect clockwork efficiency. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. This nutrient is essential for maintaining the clarity of the eyes and supporting overall night vision for your feline hunter. Even in the dimmest light, the power of carrots helps your cat navigate their environment with confidence, protecting their ocular health as they grow older. Broccoli stands like an ancient guardian of health. It is loaded with antioxidants that fight off cellular damage and help detoxify the cat's internal systems. These green florets provide a boost of vitamin K and C, creating a biological barrier that helps prevent chronic diseases and supports a long life. Blueberries are tiny but mighty. They are packed with anthocyanins that protect the brain and support cognitive function as your feline companion reaches senior years. A few blueberries can help maintain mental sharpness, ensuring your cat remains curious and engaged with their surroundings well into their golden senior age. On a molecular level, these plant nutrients actively hunt down harmful free radicals, preventing them from damaging healthy cells and causing unwanted inflammation or illness. This internal cleansing process is the secret to a high-energy lifestyle, allowing your cat to feel refreshed and revitalized after every single nutritious meal. With the help of these vibrant vegetables, your cat will enjoy a level of health that shows in their every jump, pounce, and playful moment. Next, we explore the power of hydration and herbs. Pure liquids and specialty plants can provide deep cleansing and essential minerals for your cat's body. Hydration is the cornerstone of kidney health. By choosing the right liquids, you can significantly improve your cat's internal environment and overall energy levels. Bone broth is a legendary elixir. It is incredibly rich in collagen and minerals that are easy for the feline digestive system to absorb quickly. This golden liquid supports joint health and strengthens the gut lining, making it the perfect recovery food for cats who need an extra health boost. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte drink. It provides rapid hydration and essential potassium, which is especially helpful during hot weather or periods of recovery. A small amount of fresh coconut water can help maintain fluid balance and keep the heart and muscles functioning at their absolute peak performance levels. Wheatgrass is the biological broom of the cat world. This simple plant provides necessary roughage that helps cats manage their natural grooming habits effectively. The chlorophyll in wheatgrass acts as a natural deodorizer and blood builder, ensuring your cat stays fresh and healthy from the inside to the outside. It specifically helps in the smooth passage of hairballs, preventing uncomfortable blockages and keeping the stomach clear and free from any digestive distress or pain. Maintaining a clear digestive tract allows your cat to absorb more nutrients from their food, leading to better overall health and a much happier disposition. Hydration and greens are simple additions, but their impact on your cat's quality of life is profound, supporting every organ and every vital life process. By prioritizing these liquid superfoods, you ensure that your cat's internal systems remain as fluid and vibrant as a clear mountain stream throughout their life. Our fifth group focuses on gut protection and fighting inflammation. We start with plain, unsweetened yogurt, which is a powerhouse of beneficial live bacteria. These probiotics strengthen the immune system by maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, where much of the body's natural defense is located. A small dollop of yogurt can improve digestion and even help with bad breath, making it a simple yet effective daily supplement for many cats. Apples, when served without seeds, provide a crunch that helps clean teeth and delivers a dose of vitamin C and a fiber called pectin. This natural fiber helps regulate blood sugar and supports a healthy weight, while the mechanical action of chewing promotes better oral hygiene for your pet. Healthy teeth and fresh breath are signs of a balanced internal system, and apples are a low-calorie way to provide these essential health benefits daily. Turmeric is the golden spice of health. Its active compound curcumin is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory that can help cats of all ages feel better. It is particularly beneficial for senior cats, helping to reduce joint pain and improve mobility so they can continue to move with ease and grace. Just a tiny pinch can make a world of difference, acting as a natural alternative to support long-term joint health and overall physical comfort. By reducing systemic inflammation, you are protecting your cat's organs and ensuring they live their best life, free from the discomfort of chronic swelling. These final additions complete our kitchen pharmacy, providing a holistic approach to feline nutrition that covers every aspect of their unique biological needs today. As our journey through the kitchen pharmacy concludes, it is important to remember that safety always comes first when feeding your cat new foods. Never use seasonings like salt, pepper, or toxic ingredients such as onions and garlic. Always introduce new foods slowly and in very small, manageable portions. What is delicious for us can be dangerous for them, so keep the meals plain and natural to ensure their safety and long-term health benefits. Think of these foods as supplements, not the entire meal. Balance is key to a long life, so always consult with your veterinarian for specific needs. By combining these 14 superfoods with love and knowledge, you are giving your cat the greatest gift of all, a healthy, vibrant, and long life. Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It is a sanctuary of health where you can actively participate in your pet's wellness journey. If you enjoyed this guide, please subscribe for more science-based pet care tips. Let us continue to build a healthier world for our furry friends together. Thank you for watching, and may your cat always be healthy, happy, and full of life. See you in the next episode of Feline Wellness.